Emmy here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a sublimation sign for your tiered tray for St. Patrick's Day. It's one of our 7 projects for St. Patrick's Day series. So let's jump in. You can grab this artwork at emmywilson.com/blog. Remember, you will need a sublimation printer, and when your art prints, it will print backwards and ready to sublimate. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take a ruler and rip down around your design work as close as you can get without ripping the design itself. Place the design face down on your fabric. You'll need a square of fabric about 7 by 7. And this fabric does need to be 100% polyester. Tape your artwork to your fabric with heat transfer tape all the way around on all sides. Next, you'll need your heat press pad, a piece of cardboard to cover it, and lay your fabric on top of that. Then you're going to cover with parchment paper. Heat your heat press or easy press to 400 degrees for 40 seconds. Make sure to press evenly with moderate pressure. This is extremely hot, so wait until cool to touch to peel away. Next, place a 5-inch embroidery hoop underneath your design. Place the top of the hoop over top of your design, pushing down around on all sides until the fabric is held in place. Tighten up the screw at the bottom so that it holds everything firm, and use your scissors to trim the excess fabric away. I'm leaving about 1/4 to 1/2 inch around the edge. Next, use silicone finger protectors and hot glue to hot glue that excess fabric down to your wooden frame on the back side. Next, take craft felt, trace around your frame with a pencil, and use scissors to cut around a circle the same size as your frame. Hot glue in place, and I'm going to show you how to do this on how to lay half of your circle down. Press down with those finger protectors until half of your circle is glued in place. Then peel back that felt and add hot glue to the other half of your frame. For this side, you'll actually want to pull your felt a little tighter and pull it over the edge so that it actually goes beyond the edge, and pull that as tight as you can get it on the back side. Then use your scissors and trim around the edge and trim off that excess felt so you have a clean edge. And you can totally stop here. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to add a little bow. First, I'm going to pinch my ribbon about 2 inches from the end, make a loop, and then pinch after that loop. I'm going to flip and pinch again and make a loop on the other side. Next, I'm going to tie this off with some baker's twine. You can also use thread or string, just really anything that is small that you can wrap around the middle. I'm going to start by wrapping about 3 times toward myself with the end, and then I'm going to wrap the other side, the opposite direction away from me, about 3 times. Next, I'll trim with my scissors, flip it over, and make 2 knots on the back, just simple like you're tying your shoestring. Next, I'm just going to adjust the loop to make sure that they're the same size by pulling on that loop a little, and then I'll trim off that excess that I used to tie it. I'll add some hot glue, glue it to the bottom of my little sign, and then the last step is to trim off the ends of my bow so that they're even and neat. And you're all finished. It's ready to add to our tiered tray. Make sure to subscribe for more tiered tray and sublimation ideas.